Good morning. Today we discuss some topics pH and pH scale of a solution. So what do you mean by pH of solution? pH of solution can be defined as the logarithm to the base 10 of the reciprocals of hydrogen ion concentration expressed in gram mole per liter. In the other words, pH equal to log 10 1 divided by hydrogen ion equal to minus log 10 into hydrogen ion, and hydrogen ion equal to 10 to power minus pH. For example, if hydrogen ion concentration H plus in neutral water equal to 10 to power minus 7 m, then pH equal to minus log into hydrogen ion equal to minus log 10 to power minus 7. On simplification, pH will be 7. So pH of all neutral solution equal to 7. If hydrogen ion in acidic solution equal to 10 to power minus 2 m, then pH equal to minus log 10 to power minus 2. On simplification, pH will be 2. So pH of all acidic solution will be less than 7. If hydrogen oxide ion in base or alkaline solution equal to 10 to power minus 2 m, then hydrogen ion multiply with hydrogen oxide ion equal to Kw. Kw is the constant called ionic product of water, and the value of Kw equal to 1 into 10 to power minus 14 at 298 Kelvin temperature. Now, if hydrogen ion equal to Kw divided by hydrogen oxide ion equal to 10 to power minus 14 m square divided by 10 to power minus 2 m. On simplification, it will be 10 to power minus 12 m. Then pH equal to minus log 10 to power 12. On simplification, pH will be 12. So pH of all alkaline solution will be more than 7. If we plot on a scale, then it will be divided into acidic, neutral and alkaline. If hydrogen nu ion is 10 to power 0, then pH will be 0. If hydronium ion 10 to power minus 4, then pH will be 4. If hydronium ion 10 to power minus 6, then pH will be 6. If hydronium ion is 10 to power minus 7, then pH will be 7. At pH 7, then the solution will be neutral, and below the pH 7, then solution show acidic nature, and its acidity will be increases by decreasing of the pH. Now, if hydrogen ion is 10 to power minus 8, then pH will be 8. If hydrogen ion is 10 to power 12, then pH will be 12. If hydrogen ion is 10 to power minus 14, then pH will be 14. Then if pH is increases, then increase the strength of the basic characters. So this is known as the pH scale, and if pH equal to 7, then the solution will be neutral. If pH less than 7, then solution will be acidic. If pH more than 7, then the solution will be basic or alkaline. Similarly, POH equal to minus log hydrogen oxide ion. If pH is more, then POH will be less. If pH is less, then POH will be more, and vice versa. For any solution at 298 Kelvin temperature, and then pH plus POH equal to 14. If my video is useful or beneficial, please like, share और सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। यदि मेरा वीडियो आपको लाभदायक है या उपयोगी है तो इस वीडियो को आप पसंद करें, साझा करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।